Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be a fairly lengthy one. I want to go into as much detail as possible on the Apple's iPad 12.9-inch Pro, the 2020 model. I'm also going to go over the Apple Pencil as well as the Magic Keyboard with Trackpad. So your next computer is really not a computer. It's a magical piece of glass. It's so fast most PC laptops can't catch up. It has pro cameras that can transform reality, and you can use it with touch, pencil, keyboard, and now a trackpad. It's the iPad Pro 2020. Let's start off with the display. It has a liquid retina technology. The edge-to-edge liquid retina display is not only gorgeous and impressive, but also features incredibly advanced technologies like ProMotion, True Tone, and an industry-leading color accuracy, which makes everything feel responsive and look stunning. Quite simply, this combination of features makes it the world's most advanced mobile technology. The display offers industry-leading color accuracy, 120 Hz ProMotion, 600 nits of brightness, ultra-low reflection, True Tone, and a P3 wide color gamut. Next, let's look at the cameras. The Pro cameras are advanced cameras combined with a large display, fast performance, and highly calibrated sensors have always made iPad uniquely capable. The wide and new ultra-wide cameras help you frame the perfect photo or video, and together with quality, studio quality mics and 4-speaker audio, you can even set up a multi-camera filmmaking rig. It also has a Lidar Scanner. Lidar, acronym for Light Detection and Ranging, is used to determine distance by measuring how long the light takes to reach an object and reflect back. It is so advanced it's being developed by NASA for Mars landing missions, and it's now been engineered to fit into the thin and light iPad Pro. The custom-designed LiDAR scanner uses direct time of flight to measure reflected light from up to 5 meters away, both indoors and out. It works at the photon level, operates at nanosecond speeds, and opens up tremendous possibilities for augmented reality and beyond. The LiDAR scanner works with the Pro camera's motion sensors and frameworks in iPad OS to measure depth. This combination of hardware, software, and unprecedented innovation makes iPad Pro the world's best device for augmented reality. Let's discuss some augmented reality. On the new iPad Pro, AR apps become even more realistic. Placing an AR object now happens instantly. Realistic object occlusion allows AR objects to pass in front of and behind real-world structures. Improved motion captures and people occlusion are more accurate than ever, and developers will be able to create even more immense experiences. The front-facing True Depth camera enables Face ID, the world's most secure facial authentication, in a tablet and in a computer. It also means you can chat with friends using FaceTime, take portrait selfies, or liven up your message conversations by turning yourself into an emoji. The next thing, and one of the most favorite parts of my iPad, is the A12Z Bionic chip. With the A12Z Bionic chip, the iPad Pro is so fast it outpaces most PC laptops available on today's market. It makes everything you do fast and fluid, from your everyday tasks to graphic-intensive workflows. And the 8-core graphics processor means even more performance and realism for the apps and games where it matters most. The A12Z Bionic is designed to be put to work, especially with pro apps. The 8-core graphics processor delivers fluid performance for things like 4K video editing, 3D design, and augmented reality. Enhanced thermal design means higher peak and longer sustained performance, critical for pro workflows. And the Apple Design Neural Engine enables on-device machine learning ready for the next generation of pro apps. Multitasking. The iPad OS is designed to harness the power and performance of iPad Pro lightning-fast hardware and powerful software were designed in concert to make every interaction snappy and smooth, which makes working with multiple apps at once and moving between spaces quick and effortless. Next, the Magic Keyboard. The all-new Magic Keyboard is an amazing companion for the iPad Pro. It features the best typing experience ever on an iPad, a trackpad that opens up the new ways to work with iPad OS, one USB-C port for pass-through charging, and front and back protection. And it features a floating design allowing you to attach iPad Pro magnetically and smoothly adjust it to the perfect viewing angle for you. A full-sized keyboard design for iPad Pro brings individual hard key caps and a scissor mechanism with 1mm travel for a responsive, comfortable, and quiet typing experience. So go ahead, write your next novel, knock out a business plan, and rip through your inbox. And with backlit keys, you can get things done day or night. The trackpad is reimagined. The Click Anywhere trackpad opens up a whole new way to work in iPad OS. It allows control of the new cursor in iPad OS, which is perfect for tasks like editing a spreadsheet, selecting text, or simply doing anything right from the trackpad. And you can navigate fluidly with similar multi-touch gestures like swiping to go home and switching between spaces. Trackpad support opens up powerful new ways to use your iPad. The reimagined cursor experience has been designed specifically to work in a touch-free environment first. It's contextual, so it transforms into the tool you need depending on the content you're pointing to, like buttons, app icons, and text. It's perfect for tasks where you need an extra level of precision, like building a spreadsheet or editing text. You can also use intuitive trackpad gestures to quickly get around in iPad OS. Whether you're retouching a photo or illustrating a birthday card, the tilt and pressure sensitive combined with the low latency of Apple Pencil enables all forms of artistic expression, and it charges while magnetically attached to your iPad Pro, so it's always ready when inspiration strikes. The iPad is perfect for taking notes and organizing your thoughts. Sketch ideas in the Notes app as naturally as you do on paper, then catalog them, share them, or add them to a presentation. You can even search your handwritten notes. The App Store is full of great apps that let you organize, annotate, and take your notes to the next level. Marking things up with Apple Pencil is a great way to get stuff done. Take a screenshot, then mark it up. Scan a document, then sign it right on your iPad. You can also easily mark up and send a PDF and even draw directly in apps like Keynote. I use the app Geekbench to benchmark a lot of my devices, and I'm going to put some Geekbench scores up and compare the iPad to some of the newer devices. So that will be in the display here. iPad Pro is incredibly capable while still being easy to carry with you everywhere. Slip it into your backpack or rest it on a tray table, and it has up to 10 hours of battery life to keep you going all day. It's just over £1, and the iPad Pro is the ultimate mobile workstation. You can print, project, and send files flawlessly and wirelessly. The USB-C port lets you connect all types of accessories like a camera, external drive or display. Wi-Fi and LTE are faster than ever, so you can stay connected everywhere. And when it's time to stream your favorite show or listen to your party playlist, iPad Pro has an amazing 4-speaker stereo sound system built right in. So that's my video on the Apple's iPad 12.9-inch Pro 2020 version. I use it for almost everything I do during the day. I have access to several different types of computers. I have the new M1 Mac, and I do all my video editing and almost everything on my iPad, simply because it's mobile and the power that it has available. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.